In this video, we are going to configure the Mail and Deploy extension task executor for Qlik Sense. We will add it to our executive dashboard app. We can find it in Custom Objects in the Mail and Deploy section. Just drag and drop the extension into your dashboard. Now let's configure the extension. First, the connection. We will add the API service URL. Then comes the access key. It can be found in the Mail and Deploy user section. We open the API user and there in the Credentials tab, we can copy the API access key and add it to the Connection tab in our Qlik Sense app. In the Task section, we will choose from the drop-downs, the workspace and the task. In the Appearance section you can change the button's background color as well as the text color. You can configure the messages in the language of your choice in the Localization section. Important, please fill in all the properties from this section. In our example, we want to execute the task Send a Custom Email. Now, let's check the task. We will be starting with this button. We will send a custom email. The task expects three parameters: to, subject and body. These parameters are used in the send email action. Now, we will add three variable input objects so the user can fill out to, subject and body directly in our dashboard. For this, we drag and drop three variable inputs into our dashboard. In the Appearance section, we will set the title, and in the Variable section, we will choose the name from the drop-down. We will repeat this for subject and body as well. Now we go to the Conditions section. In the Show Condition property you can define when the button should be shown or hidden. If you don't set an expression in this property, it will always show the button. In our example, we want that all three variables are completed. Now we have to add the parameters. So we go to Section Parameters and add the Mail and Deploy names of the parameters and the variables. First to, then subject and finally body. We click Done Editing and now let's fill out the fields and start the task. We click the button Send Custom Email. The email was sent. Now we can check the execution calendar in Mail and Deploy. The task was completed successfully. Let's search for the email in our mailbox. It is here, and voila, we have received a custom email with the correct subject and the correct body. And that's it. Thanks for watching.